Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create drop-down menu in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In this table, we have two questions. The first question, what's your favorite weekday? This needs a long list. And the next question, do you work at the weekend? This needs a short question which contains yes or no. For the first question, I have opened a new spreadsheet, sheet number 2, which contains weekdays. To create drop-down list, click on the target cell in which you want to create a drop-down menu, navigate to Data tab, Data Validation. From Settings, here, select List. In the source, click on this arrow, go to sheet number 2, select Weekdays, and click on this. The list has been selected, and then press OK. As you can see here, drop-down list has been created. You can choose your favorite weekday. And for the second question, which needs only yes or no, again from Data tab, Data Validation, select List. Here write yes, comma, no, and then OK. Again, the drop-down list is created. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.